One of my favorite things to make for breakfast is poached egg on toast. And I want to do a little twist on my traditional breakfast dish and making it avocado toast style. So today we are going to make poached egg on avocado toast. It is rich, it is creamy, and we're going to use a country bread that is absolutely fantastic. So join me as we make poached eggs on avocado toast. So the first thing we're going to do is slice a bread, and I have this really nice loaf of country French bread. I got this at my local club store. You can make homemade bread, of course. So we're going to go ahead and slice this. You can slice it as thick as you want. I want it a little bit thick. I'm going to do it like this. Just like that. This bread is so good. I'm going to use like these larger pieces, not the piece at the end. Okay, so we are going to be toasting these. So I'm going to take these to the toaster, but we have a few things to prep before that. So let me get out the other ingredients. So I have some cherry tomatoes. I just have like 5 of them, and I'm just gonna slice them. You kind of need a really sharp knife. This is my Rata tomato knife. I'll put a link down in the description, but I just slice them in little pieces like this. I really like using these little cherry tomatoes, or these are grape tomatoes, because they tend to be like really ripe and they have a lot of flavor. So we're just going to slice these tomatoes up. And I'm only making a couple, so I don't need that many tomatoes sliced. And now for the good stuff. We got the avocado. So make sure you get a Haas avocado. You want one that isn't too hard and isn't too soft. You'll know it's too soft when you press this end, and there's usually like space in between the skin and the flesh, and it's just too squishy. So you just want something that gives to slight pressure, but you don't want it over mushy. So we're going to go ahead and slice this. We're going to open this baby up. We're going to take out the seed, and you can do this one of 2 ways. You can smash it or you can slice it. I don't know, what do I want to do today? Do I want it smashed or sliced?
Depending upon how it scoops out, if you mess it up,
then you mash it. I messed it up a little bit. Usually it'll come off in one swoop, but I sort of messed that one up. And scoop this baby out of here. Looks like that one came out perfect. So, smashed or sliced?
how do you like that?
I kind of want it smashed. I don't know why. So I'm just going to take my little plate here, put my avocado here. I don't want it smashed like super smashed. You could do this in a bowl. I just want it roughly smashed. Oh, now we're talking. Sort of like guacamole, huh? roughly smash it. So it's not smooth, but it doesn't have huge chunks in it. Mmm! Now we're talking.
Where's the chips?
Okay, so let me throw our toast in the toaster, and I'm going to get out the pan to poach the egg. Okay, so I have a frying pan here with maybe 2 inches of water in it, and I have it over medium heat. We're going to go ahead and crack some eggs in here. We're doing 2, whoops. We're going to do, oh, I'm doing it on the side of my pan. Eric's making fun because I did it on the side of the pan. Oh no! The world's gonna come to an end. And we got 4. So we're gonna let these slowly cook. It really depends on how warm your water is and all kinds of different factors. We're just gonna watch that. I like the yolk to be a little runny. So what I usually do is just before they're done, I flip the egg over so it will cook on the top. And I'll show you how I do that, and it's pretty simple. So as soon as these are about maybe 3/4 of the way done, we'll go ahead and flip them. One thing I do when they start to set up is I just take my spoon and I make sure that they're not stuck on the bottom of the pan, because you don't want them to like overcook or brown. You can swirl them around, some people do that, but it's just as easy to make sure they're off the bottom. So just a couple more minutes and then I'll flip them. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip them over. The whites look pretty done, but I just wanna get like the top of the yolk cooked. Sometimes I'll just do this where I splash them, but it's just as easy to flip them. Just don't break the yolk. Okay, let's get these babies out of here because they are done. Just get it like a skimmer like this and then blot them over a towel to get like the excess water off of them, because you don't want your bread to get wet. They look delightful and delicious. Okay, so let me go get the toast. Okay, so we got our toast. I just lightly toasted it. I don't want it toasted too much. This looks amazing. Amazing! What do you think about this, Eric?
I don't know. I might have to taste it first.
So, give you a nice coating of our avocado. That right there is yummy-tastic. I'm gonna put a little salt and pepper just on my avocado. You can put fresh ground. I kind of want really finely ground pepper. And I'm gonna put some of our tomato on here. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Now we're talking, right? And our egg, these are slippery little suckers. So just hold on, right? They look delicious. Wow. Oh my gosh. Keep it from sliding off there. Okay, so what I do, which is great for people who love their egg yolk a little runny, is I just pierce the egg yolk. Look at that. And it runs down over your avocado toast. Right? And I'm going to give them a little salt for the egg. Ooh. When you're biting into that egg and there's a little bit of salt on there, it's fantastic. A little bit of pepper. Just a little. If you don't have Sunny Paris, this is Penzi Sunny Paris. You can use a little dried onion, shallot, little garlic powder, anything you like, whatever seasoning's your favorite. Give us a little Sunny Paris. You can season it whatever you like. Oh, it's time to take a taste. Okay, I made a plate for Eric too. This looks fantastic. This is breakfast. Times 10, right? Oh my God, the egg is cooked perfectly. Look at that. That is fantastic. Beautifully poached egg with that creamy avocado, with that avocado taste to it. And let me get some tomato. I didn't get some tomato last time. Nice and toasted and crispy country loaf. Woo! It's a slippy little sucker. That right there is about as good as it gets for breakfast. That is fantastic. My eggs slid off. And you know what? I've been to restaurants, they charge $10, $12 for avocado toast just like this. And you can make it. It's very inexpensive, so make it at home instead of getting at a restaurant. Because literally, they charge $10 around here for some avocado toast. That is fantastic. I could eat that every single day. Poached eggs and avocado toast. It is absolutely fantastic. If you like this video, please subscribe below, leave me a comment and a like, and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. You can also catch me on social media at Pinterest and Twitter, Amy Learns to Cook. You can also see me on my Facebook page at facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. And also on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. Wow. So good. I'm going to take this and finish this off.